Okay, so this is our new piling pad, which does a side mount, or standard piling pad mounts here, and when it's in the front, on this lift, there isn't really enough room for that to happen. So we mount it on the side, and to engage it, what you do is you're going to loosen this nut here. It drops down in place. We're going to tighten it back up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take another bolt and slide it through these two pieces with a washer, a lock washer, and a locking nut. Screw this on. And then we're going to take our big wrench and put it on the nut back. The final step is to lock it down. Now this whole corner is physically bolted to the piling. It's not going anywhere.